Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to discuss how to remove duplicate words in Excel cell. Let's watch this video and follow the step-by-step methods. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have a list of entries and want to delete the repeating rows, use Excel's built-in tool, Remove Duplicates. To do this, highlight the column or table that contains your data. Go to the Data tab on the ribbon, click Remove Duplicates. Check the columns/rows you want to search and click OK. The next method is to remove duplicate words in Excel cell by using Find and Replace feature. Press Ctrl+H in the Open Sheet window to open Find and Replace. Now, manually remove common duplicate word patterns. This works well for known duplicates, but is less scalable. You can also use the advanced filter function in Excel to extract unique values by filtering out duplicates, keeping the original data while showing unique entries. For this, select a range of cells or a single cell, and Advanced Filter will automatically identify the range. Next, go to the Data tab, Sort and Filter, and click Advanced. A dialog box will appear. To copy unique values to a different location, select Copy to another location. In the Copy to field, specify where to display the unique values. Then, select the Unique Records Only box and click OK. Now, all the unique values are copied to our specified range. If you are looking for a way to fix Excel workbook corruption and recover all its data, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to remove duplicate words in Excel cell using 3 easy ways. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.